You've tasted many pussies, ne? Genjani lengasuthi imnandi and imnandi bayo kunjani?
Hayi bona le mfanele yena mchira ngabatolziwe la.
Yeah.
Hayi lapho kuyahanja. It doesn't look attractive at all.
Yeah.
But hey, don't go in there, man.
Yeah.
Hey, it's always tight. And then khona laba bana ligugu lekungathi ngale move. Ekava ligugu lekungathi ngada.
Yebani.
Makashaya dog style iveli. Kushuthi maka face kanje phambili.
Yeah.
Kuso. Kuyakhi ngada emove. Ay yabona naleyo. Ay kodwa mfana baye. Ila buchere ngathi bana ama dimples endini.
Yeah.
In most cases I've seen girls who like that have like these dimples like mqodo.
Yeah. Oh.
Like pelvic bone yabona.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
If you find
a
girl with a pelvic bone,
Yeah.
my dog, you must know you're gonna have fun. There's some sort of double pelvic bone plus nale out here.
Yes.
I'm funny. Lap on fun. A little bit of morning after pill, anything can happen. Anything morning after pill prep.
Yeah.
Anything can happen.
Yeah,
a little bit on.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's so take my pen pass.